HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand examples of linear equations. All lines are defined by the equation y equals bx plus a. These three lines all have positive slopes, which indicate positive b values. Lines with positive slopes move up and to the right. The slope indicates how steep the line is, that relates x and y. In more precise mathematical terms, the slope indicates how much y changes per 1 unit of x change. The black line has a slope of 1 because y increases by 1 unit for every 1 unit of x. This is a perfect diagonal or 45-degree line. The pink line has a slope of 2 because y increases 2 for every 1 unit of increase in x. The blue line has a slope of 1/2 because y increases 1/2 for every 1 unit of increase in x. These three lines slope down to the right, and all have negative slopes, indicated by negative b values. The black line has a slope of -1 because y decreases by 1 unit for every 1 unit of increase in x that increases. The red line has a slope of -2 because y decreases 2 for every 1 unit of increase in x. The blue line has a slope of -1/2 because y decreases 1/2 for every 1 unit of increase in x. Lines are defined by a slope and an intercept. Lines with the same slope can have different intercepts, depending upon where the line crosses the y-axis. All of these lines have the same slope of 2, but they each have a different intercept. The blue line intercepts the y-axis at 4. The black line intercepts the y-axis at 0. The red line intercepts the y-axis at -4. Every line is defined by a unique combination of slope and intercept. Here are 3 lines with different slopes and intercepts. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.